guys, it's Abby and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today I'm going to school you guys on how to up your Instagram game. These are just some simple tricks to help you make your Instagram a little better. Now if you're watching this video, you obviously have an Instagram, so you should go follow me on Instagram. It is at abbygrace719, just like this channel, and I will also have it linked down below, so don't forget to do that, okay? Thanks. Before I get into this video, I just wanted to establish two things. First thing is I am not by any means an expert on Instagram. I do not have a ton of followers because the Instagram algorithm, I cannot say that word, the algorithm is stupid and it's very hard to like grow your followers like organically, and I'm not trying to be like a spam account, blah blah blah. That's another story. So I don't even know if I'm like qualified to make this video, but these are just some tips that like I have to try and make my Instagram look nice, and I just thought that I would share it with you guys in case you were interested. That's thing one. Thing two. I know that social media, especially Instagram, gets a lot of flack from people because they're like, it isn't real, you're just projecting your perfect life, blah 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 blah. I do think that some people take it overboard, and I think that you definitely need to find the balance of making your content look nice and just like creating a fake life that you're just trying to have other people think more of you. I personally take my Instagram like semi-seriously because I have a big interest in photography and I just love it, and it's kind of like my creative outlet. That's just me, and I try to be like 100% genuine on there. Another thing to keep in mind is that Instagram does not determine your worth. The amount of followers that you have or the amount of likes that you get on a picture does not determine if you're a cooler person or a better person. You don't want to be trying projecting something that you're not. If you're trying so hard to be accepted on that, you're not going to find what you're looking for, because there are always rude people and you're always gonna get discouraged. At the end of the day, it's just social media. It's just a social media platform for you to post pictures. It does not determine your worth, okay guys? So do not get caught up on that. Keep that in mind. Whew. Okay, now that we got all that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the tips. Number one is to come up with a theme. Me, I kind of have like a mix of like travel, lifestyle, fashion, so just make it like your interests. Stay consistent with that theme, because if you're wanting to grow your Instagram account and have like a lot of followers and stuff, you have to have a brand or a way that people can identify you. Like I could see this picture and be like, oh, I know that it's that person. Alex Santomo, I think that's how you say her name. She's a YouTuber on here, and she's also like has the most flawless Instagram. I will have it linked down below, but she definitely has like a theme that you could tell like, oh, that's one of Alex's pictures. When it comes up in my theme, I can tell people want to follow you because they like that kind of picture. So that is my first thing, is think of your interests and then stick with posting that. Stay true to yourself. That sounds so corny, but stay true to yourself and post what you like. Again, don't fall into that trap of just doing what other people do because that works for them. People don't want to follow copycats. They want to follow you because you're original and for your content that you can bring. Stand out. Don't follow the crowd. Motivational. It's getting real up in here. The second thing is to make sure that you have good lighting in your pictures. Let me show you this picture here, taken in poor lighting. It's bad quality, just grainy and just not appealing to look at. And this same picture taken with better lighting. Which one are you more attracted to? It's gonna be the one with the better lighting. Just makes it happier, makes your pictures clearer, makes it a lot better, helps your theme flow better. So make sure that you have good lighting. Number three, and kind of going along with the first point, is to edit all your pictures the same. So this helps you keep with the theme, and it makes all your pictures look cohesive, and it makes your feed really appealing to the eye. It just helps all of them look nice and uniform and just like really nice, like you worked a lot harder on it than you really did. It's such an easy trick, but it will definitely make your Instagram look worlds better. I told my sister this because before she would just use like the Instagram filters. Sorry Ruth, I'm kind of calling you out. She would kind of just use like the Instagram filters, and like her feed looked nice, but then once she got VSCO cam, which guys, get VSCO Cam, okay? It'll change your life. Once she got VSCO Cam and found a filter that she liked, and now she edits all of her pictures the same, and her Instagram looks so much nicer, and like I said, it just makes it look like you worked a lot harder on it than you actually did, and it makes your feed look a lot nicer. Tip number 4 is to post consistently. So basically, if you only post like once in a blue moon, people might really like your pictures, but they're gonna forget about you. So if you're wanting to grow your Instagram and make a brand for yourself or whatever, then you need to post consistently, keep bringing that new content. It'll help inspire yourself, and it'll also inspire other people. I find that normally like later on in the day works best for me, and I normally do like Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Thursdays work good also. Stay away from Tuesdays. They don't work for some reason. Sunday nights sometimes work, but Saturdays do not work for me. So that's kind of just like what I found, and again, I post later on in the day because I find that more people are on Instagram, so that helps my pictures get seen more. Find a time that works best for you. What number am I on? 5. Use hashtags. You guys are allowed to use 30 hashtags on your pictures and take advantage of them. Now make sure that you switch your hashtags up, otherwise you will get shadow banned, I think it's called, or shadow blocked. It's basically where Instagram thinks that you're like a robot or a spam account because you keep using the same hashtags, and they think that you're annoying people, so they just put a black on your pictures and they do not get shown to people, and that is not something that you want to happen because it's not nice. So make sure that you switch up your hashtags. Going along with that, make sure that obviously your hashtags are relevant to your pictures. That will also help you keep from getting shadow banned or shadow blocked. If you use hashtags that don't go with your thing, Instagram recognizes it and they don't like it. So don't do that. It also helps you a lot more to help find other people with your same interests. You can always like Google hashtags that would be good for your niche. That will be good for your theme. There we go. And Instagram will help you. Also, if you start typing it out while you're posting a picture, different hashtags will pop up. It'll show you how many posts people have with that hashtag, so that's helpful as well. Hashtag love is gonna have like millions and millions and millions of posts attached to it. Since people use that a lot, your picture is gonna get farther down in that list and harder for people to see because so many people are using that hashtag. Now, you do want to use popular ones, but you also want to use ones that don't have as many posts with it, just so that you have a better chance of getting your picture seen. A lot of stuff, a lot of information, but like I said, just kind of find what works best for you. Number 6, and another thing that I love using is this app, UNUM, I think that's how you say it. It's a free app that you can find, and it basically helps you plan out your Instagram posts. So this helps you stay with your feed and then see if pictures look good with each other, look good next to each other, or that one doesn't really go with it. It just helps you plan it a lot better, and I find that it works really nice for me. I know that some people make like another Instagram account and it's just like private and they post pictures on there to try and get the feed. That's a lot of work, so I just found that this app works best for me. Try it out. 10 out of 10 would recommend. The next thing is to engage with people. Instagram is a social media platform. You can connect with people and make new friends, which I think is so amazing because if anyone knows me, they know that I love meeting people, and I think it's amazing that you can connect with people through Instagram from like across the world that you would have never been able to otherwise. I have so many friends that I made through Instagram, and they have been like the most amazing friendships. So again, just engage with people, talk to them, make new friends, be safe. There are creepy people out there, so watch for that. But yes, definitely engage with people. Tip number 8 is to use collages. So basically you can post up to 10 pictures as like one post, and you just swipe over and it's different pictures. Now this is great because let's say you were taking a bunch of pictures, you were on vacation, and you want to post all of them, but you don't want to blow up people's feeds by posting like 10 different pictures from your vacation. You don't want to do that. It gets annoying. People just don't like it. So use collages because you could put all of that into one post, and it's so cute because it's like a little photo album that you can use. Post all 10 of your pictures from your vacation into that one post, and it just makes it more cohesive, doesn't take up as much room on your feed, so it's great. Take advantage of that. Going along with that, tip number 9 is to post things to your story. Instagram stories are so fun, and it's just like another way to connect with the people. They get to kind of see like the behind the scenes of your Instagram account, because again, your Instagram posts are just like a little highlight, let's say, of the things that you did. You can really connect with people more and like show more of your life or like fun things you're doing at the time on your Instagram story. Also, if you have a picture that you really want to share with people but you don't really want to necessarily post it to your Instagram, post it to your story. Again, it's a good way to engage with people, it doesn't clog up your feed, and it's just fun. So definitely recommend that. Also, I think with the algorithm, it helps if you have stuff on your story because more people are engaging with your account, so then Instagram's like, oh, they're friends, okay, I'll show them your post. Stupid, I know, but it helps. Tip number 10, the last thing, the most important thing, is to just have fun. Again, like I said, Instagram is a fun tool to have, and it's really fun to share your pictures, but some people get too caught up in it and it just becomes too much. Just have fun with it because Instagram is a lot of fun. Alright guys, so that is the video. I hope that helped you in some way. I'm also thinking about making 2 more videos for this series, I guess you could call it. One is how to take better Instagram pictures, just tips with that, and 2, how I edit my Instagram pictures. So if you guys want to see that, give this video a thumbs up so that I know that you want to see more of this content and I will make it for you. Again, make sure to follow me on Instagram, and if you do, shoot me over a message saying that you came from this video because that would be super cool to connect with you guys. Make sure that you're subscribed to this channel if you're not already. I'm trying to hit 500 subscribers, so if you guys could help me with that would be amazing, and then you guys can see more of my videos. So if you want to see more of the Instagram videos, you gotta be subscribed. As always, make sure to leave any videos that you want to see down below, and I will try my best to make those for you. I think that's all that I have to say. Have a good week, have fun on Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!